I used to think that learning English meant only one thing: memorizing words. Every morning I opened my notebook. Every night I checked my phone. Vocabulary lists, flashcards, apps, reminders. Learn 20 new words today. Don't miss your streak. Be better tomorrow. And I followed everything, day after day, week after week, month after month. After 1 year I felt proud. I knew hundreds, maybe thousands of words. I could read articles. I could pass exams. I could translate in my head. So I told myself, I'm ready now. My English is good. One evening I decided to watch an English movie. No subtitles, no help. Just me and English. I was excited. I was confident. But after 5 minutes, I was lost. They were speaking fast. Words were connected. Sounds were different. It felt like another language. I understood maybe 10%. I paused the movie. I looked at the screen, and I asked myself, how is this possible? I know these words. Why can't I understand them? I felt frustrated, confused, embarrassed. So I did what many learners do. I studied more lists, more apps, more notebooks, but nothing changed. Then one day I learned something important. Your ear is like a muscle, just like your arms, just like your legs, just like your body. If you never go to the gym, your muscles are weak. You can't lift heavy things. But if you train every day, slowly you become stronger. Your ear is the same. If you only read, if you only memorize, if you only write, your ear stays weak. Because you never train it, you never challenge it, you never push it. So when real English comes, fast English, natural English, real conversations, your ear is tired, it gives up. It says, I'm not ready. I realized something else. I was training my eyes, not my ears. I was good at seeing English, but bad at hearing English. So I changed my method. I stopped asking, how many words did I learn today? And I started asking, how much English did I hear today? Every morning I listened to short videos, while walking, while eating, before sleeping. At first it was painful. I understood nothing. It felt useless. But I continued. I listened again and again and again. I repeated sentences. I copied pronunciation. I spoke with the speaker, sometimes alone in my room, sometimes in a low voice outside. People looked at me. I didn't care. After 2 weeks, I noticed something. Some words sounded familiar. After 1 month, I understood more. After 3 months, movies became easier. After 6 months, English felt natural, not perfect, but real. And then I understood the truth. Vocabulary is important, grammar is important, but listening is the bridge. Without it, everything is useless. So if you are learning many words, but still can't understand movies, it's not your fault. You are not stupid. You are not slow. You are just training the wrong muscle. Train your ears, every day, even 10 minutes, even 5 minutes. Consistency is stronger than motivation. Start today, and your English will change. This is Idriss. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's become friends, practice together, and grow every day. I will see you in the next episode.